Hello, I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney. I'm answering publicly posted questions on avo.com, getting people the answers they need from an employment attorney. Okay, here's our question. Out of Utah, what is the law of workplace sexual harassment in Utah? So quick note here. I cannot speak to the local laws of Utah. I can, however, speak to the federal laws that are also in play in Utah as governed by the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, right? So there are federal statutes, federal laws that protect you from sexual harassment in the workplace. There are also, hopefully, local laws and state laws in Utah that also protect you. But don't sleep on the federal laws. They're often incredibly powerful, and they're better than a lot of the laws in a lot of the states. Let's read the rest of the question. I filed a sexual harassment case with my HR, Human Resources, in October, and it was promised to me that the man who harassed me would never be put next to me in a work situation. The managers continue to put us together and blame it on new managers not understanding the policy. Okay, so I think what you're asking here is, do you have a claim under the law? And the answer is maybe. The answer is maybe, right? So it's going to depend on what he did to you. It's going to depend on if there's negative workplace consequences. It's going to depend on if you're feeling unsafe, right? If you're feeling targeted, if you feel like these managers are putting this guy next to you as a form of retaliation. There's so much going on there. Annoyingly, I'm going to say you actually need to speak to an attorney because there's a decent chance you do have a claim in play if you're suffering as a result of what they're doing to you. I'm not going to tell you it's the world's biggest claim. I don't think anyone's going to make you a millionaire, but I do think you're being wronged, and that's not okay. They can't do this to you. They can't make you feel unsafe in the workplace. They can't make you feel uncomfortable in the workplace just because you spoke up and challenged someone, pushed back against someone who was sexually harassing you, right? I would say we'd want some more detail. Is this retaliation? Are they doing this to you because you complained to HR? Is this hurting your job? Are you losing opportunities? Are you being quiet in meetings because this guy's near you? Do you feel unsafe, right? These are all things we need to know. You're welcome to call an employment attorney. Happy to answer. I think anybody in our field would be happy to answer those questions, talk this through for you. That should always be free. The consultation should always be free in this field, because if we end up representing you, the goal is to win or settle your case for money and then take a percentage of that, right? So I hope this helps. I hope this gives you an idea of some of the things to think about. I know it's all very vague. I don't think we have enough information. If you're only asking about the law, the easiest way to summarize the federal law is if you're suffering in the workplace, if you're suffering a negative workplace consequence or emotional traumas because someone is sexually harassing you or because you complained about sexual harassment, then there's a good chance you have a claim under that law, and you need to speak with an experienced employment attorney. I hope that's at least a useful summary for you. There's certainly more to that law, don't get me wrong, but that's the easiest way to summarize it for you. Good luck. If you do feel like this helped you, consider giving me, the like and the subscribe down below. It helps me to help more people just like you. Thank you.